guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be trying the new in thing, the butterfly faux locks. Is that what you call it? I think so. It's the butterfly locks. I'm gonna be trying those out, but I am not alone today. I have a special guest who's gonna be doing my hair. So if you want to see how these locks are gonna turn out, make sure you stay tuned, keep on watching. I look crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together, look nice. Let's see how they turn out. So I want to introduce my special guest. It's my mommy. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, everybody.
So yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna be following, I believe her name is Chev on YouTube. I'll link her video down below. But out of all the videos I've watched, I like her video the best. So yeah, I'm gonna be following her steps and stuff in this video. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So keep on watching. Alright guys, so quick check-in. As you can see, I have kind of a, what do you call this, twayed out. Basically I have the root braided and then the rest of it is in a twist. We used the Shine Jam Magic Fingers. Shine Jam Magic Fingers. Really thick. So we use this to part, well, my mom used it. Not me. She used this to smooth all the parts and to make sure it's all neat. Little edge brush to make sure all that is neat, and then you can see it's nice and braided. So if you don't know, the faux locks is gonna wrap around it, so it's gonna protect all my hair. So what are we using today? We are using some
Triple Afro Twist braid.
Afro Twist braid, which is very kinky. And this is gonna give some body to my hair because basically this is one piece. So we're gonna add this to it. Again, I will link the original person's video down below, but I'm using that. And we are using the Lulu tress, and this is 14 inches. If you wanna get longer, you can. In the original video, she used 18 inches, but this is what I found, so hopefully it's long enough. So you can use Lulu tress or free tress, but if you have any type 4 hair, you might want to go with the Lulu tress, and I think she explains all that in her video. So yeah, we're gonna get started. we are done. As you can see, she did so good. Alright guys, so we just got done. It took about 4 hours. It is now 10 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do is add some scalp oil. I'm gonna use the mild peppermint, rosemary mint scalp. So I did make sure I wash and like properly moisturize, but just wanna add a little bit of oil to my scalp. All right, and then I'm gonna add some mousse. This is the only mousse I pretty much have. It's the Tresemme extra hold mousse. So just gonna add some to the top. That amount should be good. This mousse is thick. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna just go ahead and tie this up with a satin scarf for the night, and I will check back in tomorrow when I do my makeup and look cute, and I'll show you guys the final look. Y'all better hire my mom. Hey guys, welcome back. I am gonna show you the final look, the final reveal. This is the next morning. As you can see, my scarf looks, it barely fits on top of it. And I also did my edges, so let's see. Edges are laid. So this is the final look, guys. These are my messy butterfly locks done by my mama. What do you guys think? I think they came out great. This is our, well, I'm saying our like I did something, but this is her first time even attempting them, so I think they came out really nice. Ugh. How cute does it look with these chunky earrings? I am in love. I just love the way they look. I do have some little hair accessories. Let me see if I can add one or two. I think I ran out of the gold ones. I want to put gold. Come let the people know. How did it go? Love it?
Yeah, I do.
Edges laid. I try to put little accessories. Hey, me, I tell you. Yep. It's your work.
Yep.
So yes guys, that is basically it for this video. My mom, she did that. They look so good. They came out so neat and nice. It's at the perfect length because I didn't want anything long. So I love these. I'm gonna try to keep them in for about 3 weeks or so. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought of my look. How did my mom do? Let me know. I love. So that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.